Check with weather.
Tricia, it's chilly outside. Temperatures in the 30s combined with 15-mile-per-hour winds, and we have wind chills in the 20s. But we have cold air on the way in the early part of next week. I'll have the full forecast coming up after the break.
You're watching WNDU TV.
Yeah, that cold air is coming across Lake Michigan, and some of you to the north will see the clouds and some scattered lake effect snow showers. And that'll continue throughout the day, especially further to the north. Right now, our temperature is 33 degrees over in South Bend, cooler down in Warsaw at 30. But combine that with these winds. Look at these winds right now, 12 miles per hour. It doesn't seem like much, but you mix that with the colder air, it's chilly. Let's look at our wind chills right now. 28 over in New Buffalo, closer to the lake. That's raw right now. 22 over in Warsaw. It's going to continue throughout the day. Here's your wind chill forecast through the day. Mid-20s during the morning hours, around 30 as the day moves along. So when you head out the door today, dress appropriately. Understand there's going to be wind and it's going to be chilly. I'll have the full forecast coming up later in the show.
So Chuck, a chilly start today, but colder air is coming?
Well, you take the cool air with the wind. Today you feel it outside. It's definitely chilly, but we have, Tricia, a wintry blast on the way. Tranquil conditions through Saturday. In fact, even rain showers Sunday and into Monday, but much colder air is in our future. It looks like Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. Right now, Satellite Radar National shows a big storm off the California coast. Rain showers coming in pretty much all over California. Off in the Midwest, some cold air coming across the Great Lakes is making some clouds and potentially some scattered snow showers. But overall for us, scattered snow showers up to the north, 37 right now in Benton Harbor, 33 in Rochester. Cooler temperatures combined with the wind, 26 over in South Bend. It feels like 24 down in North Judson. Here's the jet stream. Off to the west, you see a coastal storm moving in, but the cold air up to the north, that's going to impact us in the early to mid part of next week. You can see a zonal pattern, which gives us mild conditions throughout the weekend. In fact, some rain showers in advance of that cold air on Sunday and into Monday. Then the cold air moves in Tuesday and into Wednesday. And you know what happens when you take that cold, bitter air and put it over the lakes? Lake effect snow. So here's the temperature forecast over the next 4 days. Here's future track that gives us some clouds and showers up to the north and to the east throughout the day today. Clouds then scattered over the next couple days start to fill in on Sunday. Monday, that's when the storm approaches. That gives us rain to start. That quickly transitions over to snow, and you can see these lake effect snow showers building on Tuesday into Wednesday. Potentially into Thursday, we could see some snow accumulating up with those bitterly cold weather numbers coming in our direction. Here's your 7-day forecast. Wednesday, 38 for the high. We'll see temperatures then spike up on Thursday to 42, lows 29. A relatively mild, pleasant weekend. Friday, 39, 41 on Saturday. 47 Sunday, approaching 50 degrees. Monday, the chance for rain showers, and then Tuesday, bottom starts to fall out, folks. 29 degrees for the high. Well, here are your snowfall estimates over the next 7 days, and you can see the target zone there, the Great Lakes. That's in association with some cold polar air pushing down into the United States. We're going to keep an eye on that because we could see some heavy precipitation totals out of that lake effect snow. So we have a root zone forecast, wet to the north, extremely dry to the northwest, and dry conditions down to the southeast. A storm off the coast of California is bringing in heavy rain, and that'll continue over the next several days. That slowly works its way to the east. Combine that energy with the cold polar air pushing down into the country, and we're going to see some big changes for the Midwest early next week into the middle part of next week, with temperatures potentially in Chicago on the morning hours of Wednesday in the single digits. So for this afternoon, 45 degrees in Chicago, a beautiful, actually mild day there, 38 over in Seattle, warm down in San Antonio at 70 degrees. For tomorrow morning, around the freezing mark in Chicago, Seattle, you're going to be at 35 then. Cooler but mild down in Texas in the 50s, and the warm spot looks like 61 degrees down in Miami. Here's your jet stream on Thursday. We have more of a zonal pattern, so that means mild conditions for most of the country through the weekend. A storm bruise moves up into the Midwest, and then behind that, that's when the big story hits. We have the cold polar air pushing into the Midwest, temperatures in the single digits across those warmer waters of Lake Michigan, and you have a bullseye for potentially some heavy lake effect snow showers. Then that moves out. So Congress, Arizona, what about you? Cooler with showers today, a high of 61, a low 46 tonight. Council Grove, Kansas, plenty of sunshine, high of 56 degrees today. And Fredonia, New York, breezy with snow showers, a high of 37. Let's take a look at your local forecast.